Article 140 is used by the Supreme Court for extraordinary reasons, and Supreme Court got special powers under this. When Article 142 is used, when there are no law or statute which do not provide any remedy. If under such conditions, Supreme Court can use its own power to do complete justice. Now, in this case, there was interim directions that whenever a rape victim is brought, her statement has to be recorded within 24 hours. She has to preferably taken to the nearest lady magistrate, and she has to be checked by the doctor who is a lady. Her medical examination has to be done by the lady. And when this all these directions are given, if they though it's not a form of law, it is very important from the angle that when there is a lady and rape victim there, within 24 hours, if her checking is done, her statement is recorded under section 164 CRPC. Now this statement will be useful. Now we see many cases where rape is done and victim in a very bad position, like Nirbhaya. She succumbed to injuries after some days. She died. In those cases, her statement will have a very good value of the evidence. And if she dies in case, her statement can be a dying declaration. Now, opposite of the same is also true. If there is a possibility, there is a statement recorded under section 164 CRPC, or a dying declaration is recorded. And when dying declaration is recorded, possibly the person does not die, maker of the same does not die, then the statement will be this statement which is recorded of a person who the police officer or the relatives are thinking that the doctor is thinking that she or he may not live, and that person survives surprisingly, then that statement will be considered under section 164 CRPC because it was on the oath. So 164 CRPC statement is that way, it is very important. And if you are using this statement, always remember this, it has got a very good value for corroboration and for contradiction. It is as good as 161 CRPC statement. Only difference is that this is on the oath. Secondly, when it is taken on oath, it is also informed to the that person, whoever the client may be, it may be victim or accused or whoever, that it can be used against him. Whatever he or she says, it will be always on the part of the charge sheet. Now there is one more judgment, and it is very painful. One judgment of the Bombay High Court. It is Imran Shabbir Gauri versus State of Maharashtra. In this case, trial court convicted the person, this Imran accused, and Bombay High Court acquitted. The reason behind this, there was the reason behind 164 CRPC is not a substantive piece of evidence. It has to be corroborated by many other things. Now, in this case, what happened when the trial matter was before trial court? It was a very painful case where a father raped the child, his own daughter. Now the matter was registered under section of the 376 Rape and also Information Technology Act. The reason behind that, because it was the father has videographed some video clips and also her nude photographs kept on his own cell phone. Now, because of this cell phone thing, it was also registered under Information Technology Act. Now, trial court convicted the father. But when the matter came before a Bombay High Court said that there are reasons 164 CRPC cannot be completely used as a substantive piece of evidence. There has to be corroboration. Here, this child, she was a small girl. When she came before court, whatever she has spoken under section 164 CRPC in her statement, she did not say all these incidents or narrated this incident before the court. Now, there was a limitation. Still, trial court convicted. But when a matter came before Bombay High Court said, no, it cannot be convicted because 164 CRPC, whatever she has said in 164 CRPC, she did not say before the deposition before the court. And Bombay High Court also made a note of if you read this judgment, Bombay High Court made a note in that the government should make an amendment 164 CRPC only for disabled children or physically disabled people. The 164 CRPC statement can be videographed and it can be used as an examination chip. But in this matter, because it was not videographed and there was no provision for that in statute, in the law, So it cannot be used. Now, because of this reason, this person got acquitted. Now, only he was convicted because there was new photographs on his cell phones and there was some video clips. So he was convicted under information technology. So court was so feeling so painful if you read this judgment that they have to acquit a person because there was no proper law and there was no proper amendment. The judgment's copy was circulated all over the Maharashtra government and also sent to all the departments, legal department of Maharashtra. But then we have to find out that it was this was the reason that it cannot be used. So 164 CRP is not substantive piece of evidence. This judgment tells us, and this was a POCSO case. So though very important case, but it could not be used. There is also one another judgment, Sayyid Jahangir versus State of Andhra Pradesh, which speaks about the 164 CRPC. This speaks how the 164 CRPC completely explained. It is totally on the 164 CRPC and the manner 281 CRPC, how it is to be used. See, whenever accused statement is recorded, because it's a confession, it has to be explained to him the procedure, why it is recorded, and if it is recorded, it can be used against him. So 281 CRPC is also very important. Another important section is 53 CRPC. Also, we can see that whenever a doctor is called, it has to be preferably lady doctor. That is also we have to remember. So whenever you are having a case, always see that if it is a murder trial or rape victim or POCSO case, find out the section 164 CRPC statement. If it is not supplied to you in the charge sheet, kindly ask that. If you are unable to get see 164 CRP, always remember, the court will corroborate. And if you have not put a question of 164 CRPC, there will be 3 statements. Like I said in my last lecture, there was Indira Gandhi's assassination case where 161 CRP statement was recorded, 164 CRPC, and also before court. All these 3 statements were differentiated, and because of that, one of the accused, Balbir Singh, got acquitted from the Supreme Court. So there is a lot of importance to these statements recorded under CRPC. If you go through it, it is very important. Another one very important thing I would like to tell you, that whatever recorded under 164 CRPC, there can be perjury. There is a possibility people take U-turn after recording, like Sanjay Dutt case in bomb blast. He also take the U-turn. He said he abandoned his own statement. He said, no, I did not do it. But then court killed him. But it was under Special Act TADA. There was a different thing and there were other corroboration also. So he was convicted under arms act. But he said, when his statement was recorded, it was extrajudicial confession. It was not recorded before the magistrate. But in other cases, the current cases, whenever 164 CRPC is recorded, even if the person turns hostile, he or she did not stand by there cannot be case of perjury against that person. He cannot be convicted for, or he cannot be, perjury, if perjury proceedings are started, there is a possibility he can be convicted, fine can be imposed. But even if it is he or she turns hostile, it is just a moral obligation, and it is only to deter a witness that he should not take U-turn afterwards. Or he or she should not turn hostile. That is the value of the 164. So though it has got a good evidentiary value, only when this is corroborated with other evidences on record, with other witnesses' statements and depositions. So 164 CRPC, though very small part, we all should know, those who are especially going for cross-examination in rape cases and murder trials, and now particularly POCSO cases. Because mostly in all the POCSO cases, because the child is बहुत tender age के बच्चे होते हैं, mostly it is recorded. If you find all the POCSO cases, if it is not supplied in the charge sheet, if you are a defense counsel, kindly ask them. But this was all about. Anything you let me know. Any question, if anybody is having?